When it comes to road trips and outdoor adventures, having enough cargo space is essential. The Goplus Cargo Box is designed to address this need, providing a solution for those who seek additional storage capacity without compromising on vehicle aesthetics. In this review, we'll explore the key features of the Goplus Cargo Box and evaluate its performance for various travel scenarios. Perfect for road trips. The Goplus Cargo Box is the ideal companion for road trips, whether you're heading to the park, beach, sports field, or any destination that requires extra storage. It seamlessly fits on all vehicles with a rack, making it suitable for cars, vans, SUVs, and more. The sleek aerodynamic design not only reduces drag but also minimizes noise, ensuring a quieter and more fuel-efficient journey. Spacious 14 cubic. With a generous 14 cubic feet of storage space, the Goplus Cargo Box allows you to securely transport a considerable amount of essentials. This expanded cargo space comes without sacrificing passenger comfort. Additionally, the package includes a car trunk organizer featuring 3 different size compartments and 12 side bags, facilitating easy organization of sundries. Robust and secure design. The Goplus Cargo Box is built to withstand heavy usage in diverse weather conditions. The inclusion of metal lid stiffeners at the bottom enhances stability and safety. The double-lock design ensures the protection of your valuables during your travels, providing peace of mind when leaving your vehicle unattended. High-quality material. Crafted from sturdy ABS and PC materials, the Goplus Cargo Box guarantees long-lasting use and protects your belongings from exposure to the elements. With a remarkable 165 pounds capacity, it accommodates a variety of items, making it suitable for round, square, factory, and most aerodynamic bars. Easy installation. The installation process is made effortless with the Goplus Cargo Box's 4 quick connect anchors. The super latch security system ensures that the lid is securely fastened to its base, guaranteeing the safety of your gear. The dual-sided opening feature adds to the convenience, allowing easy access from either side of your vehicle. Things to consider. While the Goplus Cargo Box offers an affordable storage solution, it's crucial to consider user feedback regarding the locking mechanism. Some users have reported challenges with aligning the bolts properly, which can result in difficulty locking and, in some cases, bending the key. Unlike other cargo boxes that utilize a lever/handle for bolt engagement, Goplus relies on the key as the lever. Users should be cautious and patient during the locking process to avoid potential issues. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Goplus Cargo Box presents a cost-effective solution for those seeking additional cargo space during their travels. Its sleek design, ample storage capacity, and robust construction make it a suitable choice for various vehicles and outdoor adventures. However, potential buyers should weigh the affordability against the reported challenges with the locking mechanism and consider their preferences and priorities before making a purchase decision. With proper care and attention, the Goplus Cargo Box can enhance your road trip experience without breaking the bank.